Constructive criticism can hurt, even if it is meant well. Hello and welcome to the podcast. My name is Paul Drake. Thank you for tuning in. This is the Freedom Life School podcast. I hope you are enjoying the content, this daily content that is coming to you every single day. Hope you're getting a bit of value. Hope you're getting some inspiration. I hope it's just, passing time. Whatever you want to do about it, I hope it is bringing you what you need. Now, today's subject is a little bit about what happened yesterday. I was talking to someone and they wasn't being unfair and they wasn't being unkind. They were just giving me some constructive criticism on my videos that I've been posting on YouTube, on Facebook and stuff like that. So for them personally, it was not about, bringing me down. It wasn't about, being harsh or anything like that. They were just trying to give me some constructive criticism. Now, even though it's constructive, it can sometimes hurt, and it was a bit of a shock, and it felt like as soon as they said it, I got my back up, and it felt like, oh, well, this person doesn't know this person doesn't know that, this was what's going on in my head. So it was kind of like I was battling against myself, because I like the fact that I need the help, I need the criticism, I need people to help me as long as it is constructive and it is giving me feedback on how to make things better. But at the same time, because you put so much into something and you don't expect, you just don't expect it to, hit you as hard as what it does sometimes. And it is about anything in life. It depends really on your mood as well. So say some days you've had a great day. Someone can say something and it doesn't actually, even resonate. It doesn't even matter to you. You don't even really think about it. But then the next day it'll be the same comment, but you're in a different mood. And by golly gosh, it'll be a lot different. You could take it the wrong way. You think, does this person even like me? Does this person even want to, even talk to me anymore? Does this person... When in actual fact, it's just the way you've perceived it that day. And that's the thing. Our moods and our, our moods can change on a day-to-day basis. Even throughout the day, we can change from being happy in the morning and one thing happened, and then we're upset for the rest of the day. So it can be such a juggling and such a massive thing to keep your mood and whatever on a constant stream all day, because there's so many different outside things that could change it. But when it comes to people who are trying to help you out, it's best to not maybe go full-blown in a defense and retaliation straight away. Maybe take it in, say, okay, take it in, think about what they've said, and then maybe come to it later. Like when they said it to me, I was a little bit, let's say, with my back up, and I was a bit like, hang on a minute here, you're not even my target audience, blah, 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 blah. But I thought about it, and I've carried on thinking about it, and I've thought to myself, okay, maybe how can I improve it? What should I do? Maybe I'll try this, maybe I'll try that. Because at the end of the day, if I try something new, and then I maybe get some different feedback from other people saying that these aren't as what they used to be, and I prefer the old ones, then it's swings and roundabouts, because they might be my ideal customer, so I might think, oh, okay, then maybe I'll switch back, but they might not. So I'd rather take the criticism as a positive, as a way of, becoming better, and knowing that it come from a good place and it didn't come from a malicious, harsh place. Now, if it's criticism saying someone's calling you a damn right arsehole, or someone's saying to you that, I think you're ugly and I think you're stupid and all this, horrible negative things, or what you've done is absolutely crap, and if it comes like that, then obviously that person isn't being very constructive. They are literally just trying to bring you down for their own benefit. They're trying to make you feel like crap because maybe they do and they want to bring you down, or they don't want to see you successful, so they want to shit all over your fireworks, as they say. So if it is constructive, and if it is maybe something that you've asked for, or if it's something that will help you in the long run, then by all means it is a fantastic thing to help. Because at the end of the day, what we might think is good, and what we might think someone else might enjoy, someone else might not. So it can come down to anything that you do in life. Literally anything. It could be how you make your spaghetti bolognese. It could be down to how you, I don't know, how you go out for a run, how you do just small little things. It could be absolutely anything, and someone could be saying, maybe if you tried this technique, or maybe if you decided to put this in instead of that, it might be a bit different. You might, oh, okay, fair enough. I appreciate your feedback, and then that's when you can either learn from it, try it, and if it doesn't work out and it isn't better, then fair enough. Or you can be take this defensive and be like, nope, nope, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. It's perfect the way it is. But which one's going to help you grow, and which one's going to take you from the, as Carol Dweck says, the fixed mindset to the open mindset. Now, I heard this from a CD series that was quite, that opened up my mind a lot. And it said about how, like, what we perceive as like facts may not necessarily be that in someone else's eyes. So you then putting something across and you doing something might not necessarily be the best way for other people, even though you might see it as the best thing. But it depends on what sort of business you're doing, or what sort of thing, personal thing you're doing in life. It boils down to how much of an impact you want to make on other people. Now, if you just want to, have a better life and do what you want to do, no matter what anyone else says, then fair enough. Don't worry about it. Don't even take the criticism. But if you want to take it and better, not your life, but you're trying to say start a business or something like that, where it's improving other people's lives, maybe the criticism from other people will help you then become a better speaker, might help you become a better like a business person. It might help you become even better at just, bringing the knowledge that you've got out to other people. So today's subject can be a little bit sore matter, but if it's used wisely, it can help you massively. And that's it for today. We're just going to finish up here, and I hope you've enjoyed the podcast. And yeah, if you're on YouTube, then please like and subscribe. If you are on any of my social medias, please hit a follow button or whatever it is. Please share this on podcasts, review it. It'll do the channel a massive favor. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Last word of thought, or thoughtful word, yeah, word for thought, if I can get it right, is constructive criticism benefits everyone if it is done intentionally. Criticism, just to bring someone down, does not benefit anyone other than the person criticizing, because it helps bring them up. So make the decision. If you need to maybe, help someone, or you decide to, give you advice, then try and do it in a way where it's not beating down on the person, and it is, helping them and inspiring them. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon.